Okay, everyone, welcome to here. Today we have a workshop about a conference about the second international conference on software engineering and also machine learning. So it's also say CONF-SEML 2024. Today the workshop in here we have the name about the AI-based intelligent sensing and applications. So firstly, I will introduce about some information about our workshop. And the workshop is about the AI and also about its application in intelligent sensing and applications. So the workshop we know is the AI and also the intelligent sensing technology have become more and more popular. And the machine learning, and also we have the flexible sensing and the wide sensor network, and many technologies have emerged in our daily life. And these technologies have been applied in many areas, of course, industry, agriculture, and also many other areas. So we can think. And the AI methods and also the sensing methods have been placed for many about the different kinds of the applications. So based on this background, we will discuss about the AI technology sensing and also their applications in this workshop. So this workshop we will have some, for example, to discuss about the AI-based intelligent sensing technologies and applications. And also by this workshop, we hope that we can have provide the multidisciplinary opinions and also methodologies for machine learning or for AI-based, for the smart sensing and also for the future of application and the future development of AI technologies. So I will also introduce first about our work in my team, and I use the AI technologies. The name is AI-enabled self-powered wide sensing for smart industry. So this is just a simple work we have now doing. And this work we have processing an AI-enabled wide sensing system for smart industry, and we also obtaining the voltage by TNG powered flex sensor, and we have also recognizing by the TNG with the transformer model in AI, and also we have used the EMG and the TNG for the self-powered sensing. This is the first where I will show you about the work in the smart industry. You know, it's a workflow of the in smart industry, which have some, for example, the logistic, and they have to monitoring the information during their working. So we have developed the AI-enabled self-powered wide sensing system. So we have named the spot. So this talk is includes about the wide sensor network and also the flexible sensors to know which kind of the package will appear. And also we have the TNG by this structure. And also we have the EMG like this. So this is the work over system structure of the system. And so we saw the data we will get from sensor, and then by the wide sensor network, and then we will have the smart cloud center. This is the scene we have just in the smart industry, which have many different units, and also they have a conveyor belt to logic about the package things. And this is the simulation about the workers principle of the TNG and the EMG, because they are two kinds of the power supply for the wide sensing system. And this is the TNG, so we can know we can use the TNG to get the sensor about different kinds of materials. For example, ABS, craft paper, and also aluminum. And also they have many different kinds of to charge the super capacitor, and also this is the performance. And this is when we have used this TNG sensor, so that we will have also used the AI model. We have, for example, the data get here, we have a transformer model to recognize which kind of the materials or which kind of the packages have stay in the lodges or stay in the cover bit. And the transformer model is one kind of AI models, just one kind of model, because it can do many works by learning patterns and also rulers while the rest data collected, for example, the sensor data from TNG. This is we have got implemented for about the sensors, just a histogram like this, and then we use this data to input the software for training for using the transformer models in the software, and then we can get the different training results. So, for example, we have used about 100 circles, so they have got 97% about the accuracy. So it's a high accuracy by this transformer model to recognize the materials. And this is the equipment setup. So you know we have used the EMG by the in the equipment such as here, and also they have gear systems. And then this is the model loss curves, so that you can see they have bad chassis, so we can recognize the different kind of materials. And then we have, so you know which kind of materials when they come, so we can know this is the craft paper, and they will display the results in the software. So this is a simple application. We have just shown you about the work about the AI-enabled step-out wire sensing for smart intelligence, and they have different kinds. And we also use the models, transformer model, to realize the applications. So just a simple start about the examples for the AI and also for the applications. So in the future, I think we may have some intelligent sensing methods, or maybe sensing technologies, such as we can use the flex sensing technologies, and we also have some battery sensing, for example, the RFID, also some energy capturing technologies. And we also will have the non-destructive sensing, for example, in fruits, in agriculture, in also human health. So they will have the non-destructive sensing. And then we can have a wearable sensing, for example, in the human wearable electronics, and also in the plant wearables, and also some fruits is also wearable. So the wearable sensing will be also more and more actual for our daily life. And finally, the smart. Yeah. So also we know the intelligence. So intelligence will always start, and they have maybe always development, and also have a good performance for realizing real smart or real intelligence for our different kind of applications. So this thing maybe have another things, or maybe have a new thing, so we can realize intelligence sensing and also realize the applications in the future. So this is just, for example, to show you about the work and also the workshop of today we will discuss. Okay, thank you. Thank you.